mama don't like you and she likes everyone. Hey, I'm Mr. D and welcome to MathGlass. Today we're going to learn how to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. I'm going to go ahead and assume that you know how to do a one-digit number times a one-digit number. And I do want to give a special hello to Jose for asking me to make this video. So let's begin. 37 times 5. I don't like to multiply like this. I like to put it in a stack. Like that. Notice that the digit in the ones place is right below the digit in the ones place. First, let me explain what this means. First, you do 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Now, this isn't how you do it, but watch. Now you have to do 5 times 3. But that's not 5 times 3. It's really 5 times 30. Because that 3 in 37 really means 30. 3 tens. So it's really 5 times 30. Well, if 5 times 3 is 15, then 5 times 30 is 150. So 5 times 30 is 150. If we put those together, it's 185. Don't do it that way. That was only to show you what it means. Do it this way. The first step is multiply the ones digit by the ones digit. 5 times 7 is 35. You need to regroup. That 3 in the 35 needs to go above the tens place. Now multiply the ones digit by the tens digit. The 5 times the 3. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18. Notice how we still got 185. So could we do it this way? 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 30 is 150. Yeah, sure, but no. It's complicated. I mean, you could, yeah, this is the best. This is the most practical. Now, another way you can multiply is use the partial product method. Here's what that is. 37 times 5 once again. Let's break that 37 up into 30 and 7. Let's multiply it all by 5. So now I got 30 times 5 and 7 times 5. It's just the same as doing 37 times 5. What's 7 times 5? What's 3 times 5? 15. So what's 30 times 5? Notice how you always line up the place value. You might see that on a test somewhere. You might have to do that. Right away you're like, oh god, this is hard. Nah, let's do the partial product method. 18 is just really 10 and 8. Let's multiply it all by 6. 10 times 6, 8 times 6. Add them together. It's pretty simple stuff, huh? Of course, though, you could do just standard multiplication. Stack them. Always put the ones digit below the ones digit. Always multiply the ones digit first. 6 times 8 is 48. Regroup. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. Oh man, that is so difficult. No, it's not. 9 times 9 is 81. 81. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 8. 81 plus 8. Let's try one together and hit pause so you can solve this. Hey, guess what? You can also do 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers by one digit here. Let's do a crazy one. Here are the steps. 2 times 3, 2 times 2, 2 times 0, 2 times 1. That was easy.